in this video, I will be showing you how to view an Instagram photo already viewed. I suppose that you're referring to disappearing message. What is disappearing message? It means that the sender will send a temporary chat and it will vanish anytime soon. Let's just say my friend Ellie is about to send me a disappearing message. So here she will tap Justin, which is my name. So when she tap this one and send a message, for example, she will just send an emoji and also a picture. But these pictures will vanish soon, and I can only view this photo or file just once. So that means if I am going to view it again, I can't view it anymore. Okay, so to make you understand it more clearly, I'm going to show you how. So let me log into my main account. I have to go to my profile or go directly to my chat box. And once I tap this one, you can see here that Ellie Wright, my friend, sent me a message, but this is a disappearing message. So I can only view this once. I can only view this photo once. So what am I going to do here to view this photo again is when I tap this photo, I have to take a screenshot. This is the very best way to view or open the photo you already viewed, especially on Instagram. So when I go back to Ellie's message, I cannot see the messages anymore. Good thing that I took a screenshot so I can view it again and again. Thank you for watching.